Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix NBA 2K24 crashing on PC Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you're logged into your Steam account. Once logged in, use the search bar to look up the game. NBA 2K24. Click on the game in the search results and you will be presented with details about the game, including its pricing and download options. Follow the steps provided to purchase and download the game to your laptop. If you encounter problems during the download or installation process, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First step is start by refreshing your computer to clear any temporary issues. Also, check your network connection as download errors often occurs from weak or interrupted internet connections. Ensure your connection is stable and try again. If the problem persists, restart your computer, click the Start button, then select the option to shut down or restart. Once your computer restarts, try downloading or installing the game again. This can often resolve any lingering issues. By following these steps, you should be able to download and enjoy NBA 2K24 without further problems. So that's basically how you can fix NBA 2K24 crashing on PC Steam. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.